So every morning for breakfast, I've been having a tablespoon of apple cider with turmeric and cayenne pepper. And I just put it in like 8 ounces of water because if you don't, it's like really harsh on your throat. But I just find that it helps me feel fuller for longer and helps with digestion. And it doesn't taste the best, but I don't know what to tell you. So as for my first meal of the day, today I decided to scramble some eggs and I put a little bit of cheese in them, which I did not record. And I just had it with some sauteed spinach and some mozzarella and cherry tomatoes. And I just find that when I cook mozzarella on the stove, it's a lot better. And then I drizzled some balsamic glaze. So when I was hungrier a little bit later in the day, I decided to make some chia seed pudding. So it's just chia seeds, almond milk, vanilla extract, and then I put a little bit of stevia in there, like 1/4 of a packet. It wasn't too sweet. And then I just threw some strawberries in there once it was done. For my lunch, I decided to pan fry some tofu with olive oil. And I drizzled some Cholula on top, that's the best, some sauteed spinach on the side, and then I just dipped it in Caesar dressing. So as per usual, I was hungry, so I just decided to eat one of these fat bombs. If you guys want a recipe video, just let me know below. They're so good, they taste just like Reese's, and I had 2. Later in the day, I headed to my favorite coffee shop called Bandit in downtown St. Pete, and I just met up with my friend Julia, who I love. It was super fun, we just caught up. I got an English breakfast tea, I believe, and I just got some whole milk in that and brought my own stevia. And then once Julia left, I just journaled a bit. So since I was already downtown, I just decided to meet my mom for dinner. I had a Caesar salad, and then I ate some Parmesan cheese on the side.